Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to pay a credit bill for mobile Discover banking. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on their official website. I'm just going to wait for it to load. Okay, so this is a guide to recurring bill pay for Discover card. So what does recurring bill pay do for you? So anytime you enroll in recurring bill pay, you are less likely to miss critical bill payments, which can cause services to be cut off and may hurt your credit score. So how do you make a recurring payment? Often when you sign up for a membership, utility, or other ongoing service, you are asked to provide a credit card or bank account. You may even agree that the merchant can pay your recurring bill with an automatic debit from your payment method. If a merchant doesn't require bill autopay, you can receive a paper bill or emailed paperless bill that shows what you owe for the billing term. You are then responsible for keeping track of the due date and will have to mail payments by check, money order, or sending your credit card account number on a payment slip. Or you can just pay online with your credit or debit account. So this is how you make recurring bill payments with Discover card. If you found this video to be helpful, guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.